Life is unpredictable. It teaches you many things which you can't imagine. But before this, let me ask you a question, one simple question. And please give me your answer in your comments. That what has life taught you recently? Good evening everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I'm Ankit Sharma. Again I'm here with my new chapter and the topic is what has life taught you recently? Before you tell me, I will tell you. Let me take the initiative that what my life taught me in this quarantine period. This quarantine period taught me many things. As I said earlier that life is unpredictable. 5 months earlier we don't even know that we are going to face almost 2 months lockdown and we are going to sit idle at home to be safe for our family, for our friends, for us. This lockdown, this quarantine period taught me that you have to be patient. You have to be patient to survive difficult times. When the things are not in your favor, you have to wait. Then it this quarantine period taught me that you always be with your family when the surroundings are not in your favor, when surroundings are not good. One thing I notice very keenly and I regret it as well that if you are doing a private job and only depends on a single salary, then you are just one step back from the poverty, because nowadays single income source is not enough to live a life. You have to be multi source, you have to be the multi source income. So develop your money earning skills to face the difficult time. You have to be financially strong. Then in this quarantine period I got to know from my good friends that I'm a bit rude while speaking, so I gradually improve my communication skills by practicing day by day, every day. Now I'm a bit good at communication skills. You have few good hobbies to spare your time. No matter what, you have to develop your skills time to time. There are few things which I developed in this current period, like I joined a communication mastery program by my mentor Mr. Rahul Bhatnagar. Then I started my own YouTube channel. I starting reading books day by day, which helps me a lot. I starting using social media for a good use. Now I will not waste time on social media for nothing. I'll do it for my business. I start learning affiliate marketing. I got to know about network marketing. I start learning about bitcoins. So these are the few skills which I learn and develop in my quarantine period, and many more about this. So please tell me what lesson you taught recently by your life in your comments. Thank you.